Okay, question number 34, coordinate geometry module. The diagram shows two straight lines, L1 and L2. Okay, so this is L1, this is L2. Given L1 is perpendicular to L2, so if you have the word perpendicular, always remember M1, M2 equals -1. Okay, show that M1, M2 equals -1. Where M1 is the gradient of L1 and M2 is the gradient of L2. Okay, so how? Okay, look at the triangle here. This is a right angle triangle. So you have learned how to get the theta 2. Theta 2 here, how to get the theta 2? You can take theta 1 plus 90. Okay, where actually theta 2 is the exterior angle. This is exterior angle. So we have learned if you want to find, so right now since they ask you to show the gradient M1, M2 equals -1, we have learned how to get the gradient. You understand gradient is vertical distance over horizontal distance. Okay, which is actually tangent lah. Gradient is equals to tangent theta. Right. So we need to find the value of the tangent theta 2. So how to find the value of tangent theta 2? So here, since theta 2 there is obtuse angle, all smart teachers is convert. The value of tangent theta 2 is negative value. Why? Because in the second quadrant, okay, tangent has negative value here. So tangent theta 2 is negative value. So how to get the tangent theta 2? So you must find the tangent of dia punya apa tu? Corresponding angle. Let it be alpha. Okay? Because kalau you nak cari tangent, you kena ada right angle triangle. But here you can see theta 2 here, kita tak dapat bentuk right angle triangle. Tak ada shape right angle triangle. So nak cari tangent theta 2, you must use alpha. The alpha there. So you need to find tangent of alpha lah. Okay, so how to find the tangent of alpha? You can use this right angle triangle. So we have right angle triangle there. If I take out the right angle triangle, now you have like this. Okay, where here is theta 2. Okay, and here 90 and here theta 1. Where theta 1 plus 90, the result is theta 2. Okay, theta 2 is exterior angle. So here is alpha. Okay. Okay, if let's say the length of this side, let it be A, and this one be B, and this one be C. So tangent alpha is opposite over adjacent, B over A. Right. Tangent theta 1 is opposite side over adjacent. So you can see right now, actually, tangent alpha, okay, is 1 over tangent theta 1. Because this is B over A, okay, this one A over B. So 1 over tangent theta 1. So actually 1 over tangent theta 1 is A over B, right? So after you modify, it becomes B over A. Okay, so that's why tangent alpha is 1 over tangent theta 1. Okay. So now, okay, so from there, tangent theta 2, so from here, tangent theta 2, okay, is negative tangent alpha. Why? Because theta 2 is obtuse angle. So at obtuse angle, in the second quadrant, it has negative value. So negative tangent alpha lah. Where tangent alpha is 1 over tangent theta 1. 1 over tangent theta 1. So now, tembak pergi sana. So you dapat macam ni. Okay. And then kita dah belajar gradient is vertical distance over horizontal distance, right? Which is tangent, right? So actually tangent, so you can write M2, this line L2, okay? The gradient is M2 and for this line the gradient is M1. So that's why M1, M2 equals -1 because gradient equals to tangent theta. Where tangent, to find tangent you always take vertical distance over horizontal distance. Vertical is y, the value on the length on the y-axis divided by the length on the x-axis. So gradient is equals to tangent theta. So that's why here M1, M2 equals -1 shown. Okay, next question number 101. A point P move. So if you the keyword here, if you have the word P move, so let the moving point be xy. Such that the sum of, so the sum of course sum, we put plus. The sum of distance OP, the sum of distance OP and PN, meaning distance of OP and PN is equal sign, okay, is always 2 units. It's always 2 units. Okay, so you have OP plus PN is 2 units. Okay, O is the origin. So origin, the coordinate is 0, 0. And lies on x-axis. Okay, lies on x-axis meaning y is 0. Okay. Okay, so x we don't know what is the value. Let's say if you sketch the diagram. So this is your x-axis. Okay, maybe this is the line where here point N lies here. Okay, so that's why the coordinate of N here, x we don't know what is the value here. Okay, that's why, and the y there is 0. Okay, the y value there is 0. Okay, next. Pn is parallel to the y-axis. Oh, Pn. Okay, meanings maybe P is here. Parallel to the y-axis meanings okay, parallel to the y-axis. So this is Pn. So from here you understand the point P coordinate. X is the same, that is, so the value here, okay, x, and the y, okay, the y coordinate, you don't know what is a y coordinate here. So the P coordinate is xy. Oh yeah, lagipun tadi dia dah sebut P move. Okay, show that equation of the locus, okay, is given by this equation. So you understand this one. Tips dia, kalau you tak tahu nak buat apa pun, at least you tahu kat sini, okay, tadi kita ada distance O between OP and PN. So you just find it. Okay, O is 0, 0, P is xy coordinate. Okay, and then PN, P is xy coordinate, and is x0 coordinate. So we find it one by one. Start from OP. So OP, you take the distance. This is a distance formula. Always do like this. X minus 0 square, y minus 0 square, plus Pn equal to Pn x minus x square, y minus 0 square. Okay, so this one, simplified it. Okay, this one, after you simplify, you will have x squared plus y squared plus this one habis, this one tinggal y squared. Okay, this one is actually y squared power of 1 over 2. So you can cancel this and this, tinggal y je. Ini tinggal y je. Okay, so you ada sekarang macam gini lah. Okay, so dia kata dia nak y as the subject. Okay, they ask you to show this. So you can see you have y here, you have y here. So you need to eliminate the square root here first. So cara dia, kita bawa y ni pergi sebelah. Kita tak boleh nak hilangkan square root ni dengan cara square terus. Okay, satu-satu kita tak boleh buat macam gini. Kita tak boleh square sini, square sini, square sini, macam tu tak boleh. Okay, so kita kena hilangkan, cara nak hilangkan square root tu. Okay, so cara nak hilangkan square root, you bawa y ni pergi sebelah dulu. Good. So tips dia, make sure cert tu dia single. Dia seorang-seorang dia je kat situ. Baru boleh kita solvekan. So then only baru boleh kita squarekan dia. So bila kita square, dia tinggal macam ni lah. Ini macam biasalah you expand 4 minus 4y plus y squared. Okay, then only you fikir nak jadikan y sebagai subjek. So all the y you group together lah. So finally kita akan dapat bawa y pergi sini on the left. Tinggal 4y 4 minus x squared. Okay, so y is 4 minus x squared over 4. So if you simplify this, you akan dapat 1 minus x squared over 4, or you can write as 1 minus 1 over 4 x squared. Done.